The BET Awards 2025 proved once again why it's called culture's biggest night. Hosted by the one and only Kevin Hart, the show brought together the brightest stars from music, film, television, and sports to celebrate the talent that shapes and pushes culture forward. From iconic moments to major milestones, the night belonged to both legends and new school favorites. Kendrick Lamar was the evening's undeniable standout, taking home 4 major awards including Album of the Year for GNX, Best Male Hip Hop Artist, Video of the Year for the viral smash Not Like Us, and Best Collaboration alongside SZA for their soul-shaking track Luther. Lamar also shared Video Director of the Year honors with longtime creative partner Dave Free. On the R&B side, SZA took home the award for Best Female R&B/Pop Artist, proving her artistry remains unmatched. Chris Brown snagged Best Male R&B/Pop Artist, while Future and Metro Boomin earned Best Group, thanks to their hit-filled collab album that shook up the charts and clubs alike. Breakout talent got their flowers too. Leon Thomas, the singer, songwriter, and former child actor turned solo star, was crowned Best New Artist, while Doechii continued her genre-bending rise with a win for Best Female Hip-Hop Artist. The BT. Her award went to Summer Walker for Heart of a Woman, a raw, emotional ballad that connected deeply with fans. On the inspirational side, Glorilla, Kirk Franklin, and Maverick City Music took home the Dr. Bobby Jones Best Gospel Inspirational Award for their powerful collab Rain Down on Me. In film and television, the awards highlighted both classic excellence and emerging talent. Cynthia Erivo won Best Actress, and Denzel Washington added another trophy to his legendary career as Best Actor. The fan-favorite biopic, Luther Never Too Much, was named Best Movie. And in one of the night's most talked-about wins, Blue Ivy Carter received the Young Stars Award, a full-circle moment of legacy and promise. She's been making waves with her performances, fashion, and influence, proving that Beyoncé and Jay-Z didn't just raise the bar, but are raising a new icon. On the sports side, Angel Reese dominated as Sportswoman of the Year, continuing her streak of wins both on and off the court. Jalen Hurts, QB1, and fan favorite earned Sportsman of the Year honors for his performance and leadership in the NFL. Don't forget to click the subscribe button like this video and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support means the world to us. And, just so you know, this video is based solely on news by BET. Here's the full list of winners for the BET Awards 2025. Best Female R&B and Pop Artist goes to SZA. Best Male R&B and Pop Artist is Chris Brown. Best Group is Future and Metro Boomin. Best Collaboration, that's Luther by Kendrick Lamar and SZA. Best Male Hip Hop Artist goes to Kendrick Lamar, and Best Female Hip Hop Artist is Doechii. Video of the Year is Not Like Us by Kendrick Lamar. Video Director of the Year, Dave Free and Kendrick Lamar. Best New Artist is Leon Thomas. Album of the Year, GNX by Kendrick Lamar. Dr. Bobby Jones. Best Gospel and Inspirational Award goes to Rain Down on Me by Glorilla featuring Kirk Franklin and Maverick City Music. Best Actress is Cynthia Erivo. Best Actor Denzel Washington. Best Movie Luther Never Too Much. Young Stars Award goes to Blue Ivy Carter. Sportswoman of the Year Angel Reese for basketball. Sportsman of the Year Jalen Hurts for football. And finally, the BET. Her award goes to Heart of a Woman by Summer Walker. Congratulations to all the winners.